Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix taskbar and desktop which keeps on refreshing here in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's begin. The very first step is at your keyboard, press Windows and R key together to open this run window. Here type services.msc, then click enter or OK to proceed. Once you have successfully opened your services, click or select any of the system and service and type W. And here you need to look for Windows Error Reporting Service. Okay? Once you have find it, do a right click and go with Properties and change the startup type into Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Once done, close this window. And here you need to proceed to the next step, which is at the button search bar, type CMD to search for command prompt. Here, the best match would appear. Proceed to run as administrator. Click on it. And the moment you've clicked on it, your user account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this command prompt as administrator. Here you need to type this command, just paste it. I'll be pasting this at the description box below. So this is sfc /scan now. Click enter. So this will do system scan and this process will take some time, maybe 6 to 7 minutes or more than that. Okay, just it depends on your computer actually. Just have to complete this process. Don't close this command prompt window and don't turn off your computer as well. Okay, once done, proceed by pasting the second command. Okay, so just paste this and then paste it here and click enter. Okay, and finished all of those process. Okay, once done, let's say if you're done, close this window and you need to restart your computer. Okay, the moment you've restarted your computer, there you have that you have just successfully fixed your problem. So that's it. Hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.